I haven't done Zara haul for a minute. It's been a while. I did some. Welcome back to the channel, family. Welcome back, everyone. Today I am going to be sharing with you all some pieces that I picked up from Zara. Yeah, I haven't done Zara haul for like a long time, so I decided to pull out some looks from Zara and share with you all. So without wasting anyone's time, let's just get right into these looks. We're already in the spring season, so I decided to put some fun colors, florals in these looks that I'm going to share with you all. The first dress I'm sharing with you all is this beautiful mustard yellowish dress, and what really caught my attention to this dress is how the dress is constructed, the silhouette, and how it accentuates my body. I love the fact that the dress has some runches at the side and has a collar neck and the buttons down. It's kind of like a sexy dress, but given like that day vibe, fun feel. And I love mini dresses, so when I seen this dress, I said, I gotta have this dress, I gotta get it. I do have a size small on, because I mean they didn't have a medium, they didn't have a large, they had extra large and small, but the small fits perfectly because it really hugs me the way I want it. Sometimes I like my dresses really kind of like skimpy on my body. I love how it accentuates my body, and I love the detailings on this dress. So I went ahead and paired it with this fun color shoes and this purse right here. This mini purse, I've had this mini purse for a very long time. I got it from a local boutique right here in the DMV area, and a lot of people have been asking me about this purse and they don't have it anymore. It's just something that I stumbled on, but I just felt like they go together. The purse actually adds that splash to the outfit, and the shoes actually add some, you know, spark to it. So yeah, this is the first look, and it's so ideal for the spring season right now that we are in. I love the dress. I love it. Give me a mini dress any day, anytime. I will take it, as long as it looks good on my body and it gives me that vibe that I'm looking for. I went ahead and added the Zara earrings as well. As you can see, I love the earrings on this outfit. This second look is a blouse and a mini skirt. So this is a floral print blouse, and the skirt is a print dot skirt. It's a mini skirt. I do have on a size large on the skirt, and then the top I do have a size medium. I could have gone for a small, but I wanted a little bit of like that kind of like loose feel on it. I decided to pair it together. That's how it's even paired on the model, but I decided to pair them together. Originally I wouldn't pair things like this together, but I felt like they looked so good together, and prints make you look so lush, like really nice. It's all about mixing prints together, and I love how it looks on my body. I love how the top and the skirt complement each other. I decided to go for this Jacquemus mini bag just to add some kind of like splash to these colors. And also I put on Zara palms. This palms reminds me of the Mac palms. These are really nice. They're very comfortable. I think they're like 3 inches high, and the bows are crystal. I love the heels. They're $79. I think $79.99, or even not $79. It's kind of like simple, but also like a fun feel that you can get from this look. I decided to put on Balenciaga sunglasses that kind of like goes in line with the same colors as the prints on the blouse and the skirt. Now, like I told you guys, I love mini skirts, so if you're not a mini skirt person, then this outfit is not for you. But the blouse, you can wear the blouse with any other item in your closet. You can wear it with denim, you can wear it with work pants, you can even throw a blazer on this look as well. You can really style it however you want. You can throw on sneakers on this, you can throw on a crossbody handbag. However you want to style this look, you can style it. I just decided to style it this way because I love it this way. Simple, clean, chic, elegant look for the spring. This next item is a blazer dress. Now, I love blazer dresses. Give me blazer dresses in different colors, I'll take them. I'll wear blazer dresses Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 7 days a week. I'll wear them. That's how I love blazer dresses. So when I seen this dress, it caught my attention. The color, you know, the color is so ideal for the spring. It's so vibrant. So when I seen this limeish green blazer dress, I knew it had to come home with me. So I picked this dress up. This is a size medium. I think I needed a large because the way I wanted to really style this dress, I wanted it to be a little bit a loose fit dress, but when I picked up the medium, they didn't have a large. They had an extra large, and extra large was too big for me. So I decided to make this a blazer, not a blazer dress. I decided to make a blazer, and then I got like a white shorts to go with it. Now the shorts, I have a size medium, and I love the way they look together. I love the plain white on the lime color. It's very polished, and I added this pop-up colored pumps on my foot, and I also just carried this my Balenciaga really bag. Like, this bag is in my closet for a very long time because like I love it. I really love it. So I pair them together, and I just love how simple and vibrant the look looks. You know, it's like I said, it's ideal for the spring, and you can actually wear this blazer with any other thing. You can wear it with like jeans, you can wear it with like capri pants, you can wear it with pencil pants, you can wear it with sneakers, you can wear it with skirts. You know, if you get like a bigger size, then you can wear it as a blazer dress, but I wore this as a blazer on its own, and just threw on the shorts that I also got from Zara to make it look kind of like a brunch kind of feel, or you're hanging out with your girlfriends. This is what the look is giving me. So the next items that I picked out is this linen green dress, which I turned into like a duster, and also picked this mommy pants, high-waisted mommy pants in pink, and this floral crop top. So I mixed all of them together. I had this kind of mindset of you know, like a retro kind of like look put together with like headband. So this is the look that I was going for. Nothing really fancy, more like a funky fun look, you know. And I feel like I did actually pull it off. For this look, I decided to pair it with this beautiful it's not a platform, kind of like a heeled funky shoes from Christian Louboutin. I've had these shoes for a very long time, and it's full of colors, and I decided to pair it with this look to give it all splash of, you know, that funk feel. I also added a belt just to cinch the weight a little bit, because when I had worn the mommy pants, they were looking too boogers on my waist, and I didn't want my waist to look so huge, which my waist doesn't even look huge in the first place. But with a belt, it kind of cinched it in a little bit. So this look gives me that retro vibe. It's all flowery, it's all colorful, it's for spring, it's for summer, you know. It's kind of like a vacation vibe as well for me. Maybe just dust the shoes and maybe put some little slides or like a Snickers or something. But it's giving me all the vibes that I'm looking for. I love it. I love how it looks on my body. And then I switched it up and put the belt on top of the linen dress. So you can actually wear the linen dress as a dress, or you can wear it as a duster like I did. And then I went ahead and put the belt on my waist just to give it a different vibe, you know, nothing much, but just kind of like switching things around. The crop top, I got an extra large because you know how Zara outfits are cut, they're cut too small, so an extra large fit my bust area, but it was a little bit loose for me, you know, so that's like the downside to it. But overall, I love the entire look. Like I said, it's giving me that retro feel, and that was what I was going for. Now this next look is, I'm not sure about it. It's kind of like a romper flowery outfit. I'm not really sure about it. At first when I'd seen it, I didn't try these items in the store, so at first I was like, oh, it looked so good in the mannequin, but when I came home and I tried it, I'm like, what is this? Like, I'm not sure. So this item I'm going to return back. It's a romper, a floral romper. It's cute. It's cute. Maybe if I could add like a belt on it, but I can't add a belt because it does have this drapes on the side, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to put a belt on top of it, or maybe put a belt and let the drape hang down. But I really don't want to do that, especially if the back is open, like really open. So if you're busty, I don't think you'll be able to wear it because your bra is going to be showing. As you can see, I'm not showing the back because my bra and everything is just hanging out from the back. But I love the way the front looks. I love how it looks on my body. Maybe throw a white blazer on top of it, maybe that could do the magic, but it's not really giving me the vibe that I was going. This item is actually the list that I do like. This haul is not much. I only picked 5 items from Zara because I could hardly get myself to fit into most of Zara's outfit. Hence, that's why I really don't do Zara hauls. And when I do find the ones that do fit, I tend to hop on them real quick before they sell out, because most of these items. Thank you all for sticking to the end of this video. If you did love this video, give it a thumbs up. Also hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post new content right here on my channel. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching and stay safe. Bye bye.